Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and having a great day. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a kiss pour. I have been doing those, a few of them recently, and it's a really fun technique. I do enjoy it. I'm going to be using some FolkArt white pearl. I've been getting some cool things happening with the white pearl, some cells, and almost some cloud effect look. So I'm kind of excited to try it again. I'm working on a 14 by 14 canvas for today, and I'm going to go ahead and cover it. And this is Artist Loft Artist Loft Flow Acrylic. Oh my gosh, I can't talk today. And sometimes I spread it on first, and then sometimes I pour it around after. So today I decided to just spread it with my favorite spatula before I get started, and voila, it is covered. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start putting my colors in my beaker. The first color is a really pretty red from Grumbacher. It's Alizarin Crimson. I've got Cadmium Red Light Hue from Liquitex Basics, and my go-to white pearl from FolkArt. Also from Liquitex, Quinacridone Magenta, and then another one from Liquitex, Yellow Medium. Now I am just going to go ahead and continue putting the layers of paint in the cup. I'm getting about 100 milliliters, I think. I'm going to try to make sure I've got even amounts in both beakers. Sometimes I am off a little, and you know what, that's not that big of a deal. So okay, so I'm just going to continue filling the paint in the second beaker, and I wanted to use a little more yellow. I did a kiss pour, and I lost a lot of the yellow, so I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that my yellow will show up a little more. And I really love using white pearl. The results I get are usually really good, so hopefully this time is no exception. And of course, got to get those air bubbles out real quick. Okay, so now I'm just going to gently kiss the paint together, and look, there's all the yellow. All right, I'm super excited. I'm hoping that I don't lose it all. All right, that's looking pretty cool. Now you guys get to see the above, and there comes the white pearl. So you can already kind of see it coming out. So as I'm pouring this, I'm really getting excited because it's already doing what I was hoping that it was doing, and those clouds are starting to form. So very excited. All right, so now, yeah, you can see those. It's super cool. I don't know what you guys are supposed to see there. That was way too fast. All right, so couple of things about doing these type of pours. You have to be very patient. What I like to do is try to go around in a circle slowly and try to get as much of the canvas as I can covered first. And when I do that, and then I usually try, once I decide to start in a corner, then I try to go back to center. You can see I went back to center there, because it does kind of help keep it the shape, sort of, you know. Sometimes it does work, sometimes it doesn't, but for the most part, it's a good habit to get into, is to going back to center. All right, so almost covered there. You can definitely see that I have got some cool of the cloud, the white pearl. If you guys haven't tried white pearl, give it a try. You will really be happy that you did, because the effects are super cool. I always love using it, adding a little bit here and there. And now I'm just trying to get it back just a little bit, and you can definitely see the shimmer from that white pearl. Yeah, looks pretty cool. I think I'm just trying to get it perfectly All right, so now we've got some wet photos for you to look at. Those colors are so bright, and I'm really happy about that yellow. It looks really cool right there. I love that. So again, if you haven't tried white pearl, try it. You'll get really cool effects, especially in ring pours or kiss pours. That's where I have really good luck. You can also see there's some cells starting to form too. All right, guys, so now I've got some bonus footage for you. I wasn't sure what to do, and I found this metal. It actually had a stick on the end of it, so I broke it off and started pouring over it. So I am actually just going to be quiet and let you guys enjoy this bonus footage, and I will be back in a few minutes. All right, everybody, so you are now seeing the dried photos, and look how nice and bright that dried. I got a lot more cells that had developed, so I'm really super happy with this. And if you guys like this, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, if you're not subscribed, why not? Go ahead and subscribe. It's free, so no worries, all right? And if you think someone might like it, go ahead and share it with them. And I also have some more awesome videos for you to watch. Just click the links right there, and I'll catch you in my next video.